Welcome back to the channel. This video focuses on watertight access panels to void spaces on ships, a critical yet often overlooked element of a vessel's structural integrity and safety. These panels are not just simple covers, they are engineered barriers that maintain the vessel's compartmentalization, which is fundamental to its stability and survivability after damage. A void space is any enclosed area within the ship's structure that is generally empty and does not serve a specific function like carrying cargo, fuel, or accommodation. These often include double-bottom compartments, cofferdams, empty wing tanks, or unused spaces within the hull structure. While empty, these spaces must remain sealed to prevent the spread of water in an emergency. The access panels we're talking about provide the only means for crew members, surveyors, or maintenance personnel to enter these voids for inspection, maintenance, or repair. Crucially, they must be designed and maintained to be as structurally sound and watertight as the surrounding bulkheads or decks. These panels are typically constructed of steel and feature a robust bolting arrangement. Instead of simple dog clips, which are used on interior, non-watertight doors, these panels use numerous heavy-duty bolts that must be tightened down uniformly. This multi-bolt system ensures a high, even compressive force around the perimeter of the panel. The seal is achieved using a specialized rubber or synthetic gasket, often referred to as packing. This gasket is set into a groove on the panel or the surrounding frame. When the bolts are fully tightened, the gasket is compressed, creating a perfect, pressure-tight seal capable of resisting the hydrostatic pressure of surrounding water, either seawater from a breach or floodwater from an adjacent compartment. The location and design of these panels are strictly governed by SOLAS, Safety of Life at Sea regulations, and Classification Society rules. They are classified based on the pressure they are expected to withstand. For instance, panels located lower in the ship or on bulkheads separating floodable compartments will have far more stringent requirements and testing protocols. During routine maintenance and surveys, crew members must ensure three things. First, that the gasket is intact, pliable, and free of cracks or damage. Second, that the seating surface, the frame where the gasket sits, is clean and free of paint, corrosion, or debris that could compromise the seal. And third, that all bolts and nuts are present, free-running, and correctly greased. After maintenance is complete, the closing procedure is critical. The bolts must be tightened in a specific sequence, usually a cross pattern, to ensure even compression of the gasket. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more maritime insights. Thank you.